good homie Triple B Farms. He sent me some genetics. The Auto Army for 2025 is what we're working on. And I got to go in here and get some more seeds picked out to germinate. So, we got to do round two of germination. Because the first round, nah, I already know I'm having a pH problem because it's middle of winter. So, that's normally my issue. But then, my reliable, handy dandy pH pen went out. So, I ain't been getting exact pH measurements right. But then you got to check every day too. So, it's cold. Hell, you got to put in that work. That's a good and bad thing about DWC. Because when you got to get in there and put in that work, you better be ready. Because, hey, sometimes you just got to sit back and see what's going on. But hell, it's been a couple of videos since I went in the green room anyways. So, I ain't got to show y'all what's behind me. That's nothing but some dead bodies. Don't worry about the body squad. Yeah, watch out, precious. Don't get stepped on. And we know tent one's empty. But the good thing is we finna get all of that worked out today, too. Alright, so welcome back to the green room. An hour into the video, as an indoor garden consultant, and then I'm slacking on showing y'all the garden. But hell, we got some shit growing on in here. You know what I'm saying? Hey, for the real viewers of the video, you gotta wait for popcorn to get on topic, and then I'll get there. Shouts out to the plants grown in the green room. See, we got one doing this THING coming in nice. Look at it. Look at him. Look at him. Doing his thing. Yep. Got a couple buds over there. They're starting to level out at the bottom, so we're gonna cut some clones from there. And then, like I said, we will be dropping some seeds. Cause we gotta drop some seeds. Yeah, and then of course my flower that I have back in here, my flowering plant. Shouts out to that one. Gotta keep that deal in the background because it keeps some artwork in the room for me at all times. And then, of course, we got our money tree, our golden barrel cactus, and of course that snake plant snaking its way up in the back. That I don't know what this one's doing. It's just doing some bullshit. Here we got some strawberries in vertical tower, and then on the other side we got some dragon fruit that I started, which I gotta get individually potted so they can be braced up and ready to go. Because some of them are starting to get big, and since they starting to get big, they need to go ahead and be where they gonna be. Shouts out to them. I'll probably have these for sale because if I start them, they can be sold, right? Because they're more of a long-term project for people. But since it's already started, we can get those people that like to be hey, this is already going, so I could just finish this saved game. Shouts out to the cheat code. Yeah. We already got us a cheat code, so when we get into our hour season, because we're going to be doing some stuff, because it ain't just all homework. Part of the homework is being out in the field, so you dig? Do this outside of school. We just call it homework. We don't care where you get it done. Type of time. Then, of course, we still got a pineapple growing over there. It might be doing something. And then, like I said, we'll probably be filling up some spots in the cloner, one of the two. So, yeah, I might do a 6-pack off of this. It looks like I can get at least a good 6 clones without killing too much off the plant itself. So it's a good thing that's growing healthy and vigorously because it's finna go down through there, but then it'll have some more time to recover and grow taller again. And then in a couple weeks I'll be ready to throw that in flower. Give it some recovery time, let it get to growing back again, and then it'll find itself in a flower tent. Might be scrogged out because it might be super thick. Shout out to them super thick ones. I threw some water in here the other day because, with these strawberries, I tried to cut some of these runners, but they didn't do too well. They haven't died completely, but they don't look like they running their new roots yet, but we'll see what happens. It's a good thing about strawberries is the plant itself, it starts throwing runners. You can cut them off and replant them as soon as possible. But I like to let them go ahead and start developing because I seen that, and then I tried to wait for that part to grow roots.